What's going on, girls? You're so cute. Oh, it's cold out here, Mama. Yes, it is cold out here, isn't it? Yeah. That's why you got your little coats on. Are you coming? Do we have to? Well, it's raining out there, Mama. I don't want to go. We'll just stay here. Come on. I'm going under the porch where it's not raining. Got an itch. Hi, Ado. Ado. Hi, Ado. Hi, Ado. You're such a good girl.
Let's go check the pet. This is cold rain, Penny.
It's cold.
Let's go check trap. Come on. Let's go see. Let's go see.
All right.
Look at this. Who wants one? You want one? You want one? Come, you want one? I gotta break yours up. You swallow the whole thing whole. Ah, you missed. Ah, you fooled me on that one. Okay, I got. Oh, you're done with yours? I got one more to share. Ah, I'm bigger. I should get a bigger piece. There we go. Let's see. Like a baseball player. Over your head. Oh, that was right to me. Uh-oh. Halo, you ate yours already? Okay, we're good to go. Oh, what's this in my pocket? I didn't put these in here. Well, I guess I did. It's my coat. Okay, we gotta share one. That's me. You don't want the crumbs? You don't want that crumb? Halo. Halo's gonna try to catch it. Here we go. Oh, good catch. Okay, we're done. Nothing to see here. Nothing here. Gotta break this up again.
Come over here, little bull. We'll save some for the boys. We'll save some for the boys. Okay. We'll save some for the boys. Okay?
You do want to move that. A little bit on the wet side. Damn. A little bit on the wet side, Connie.
Quit biting your tail. Tail comes. Come, come, tail. Look at that. Look. Is that from Comet biting your tail? You tell Comet you quit doing that. You poking you. Yeah, she's not doing anything. Yeah, she's not doing anything. You want your tummy rubbed. You stop biting her tail. Hey, nice. You want me to put something on your tail? Girl. You're hurting her tail, you know. Every time you grab her tail, it doesn't make it feel good. Let me see your feet. Let me see your feet, girl. Your paws look good. Did your paws look good, girl? Yes. It's just that thing on your tail don't look so good. Just a big leg. Big leg tail. Sunny side up. Halo, sunny side up. Yeah. Gotta love you, Halo. Paul went. They got some 21. He went and picked up some hay in our pull trailer. We have a 2-horse pull trailer, and we took the slant door out of it so we could put these big bundles of hay in them. They just slide them right in. And the bundles have 21 bales tied together. So we got 2 of those inside the trailer at a time. So they just pick them up and just slide them in. It's pretty fancy. It works out pretty well for us. And so we picked up 2 of those. We already had one in the barn. That should last us until probably February or March. And we pick it up at a local place. They have really good local hay around here. It's real green, has a lot of protein in it for the goats, and they like it. They won the competition at our local fair for best hay. So it's over 12% protein, which is really good for local hay. So he did that, and he stacked it up in the barn, took the straps off and stacked it up in the barn. So it's a little crowded in here right now. Goats, be happy. She's losing her mobility. She doesn't move around too much anymore. Poor girl. We try to keep her area warm this time of year because she's not moving around too much. She has special needs now. The 2 front legs are giving out on her, and we do give her an arthritic medication from the doctor. She is the neatest goat, but she doesn't like to be around other goats anymore because they pick on her. So she's not unhappy. She wags her tail. She's a happy girl. She tells us when she's hungry. She gets up and gets something to drink. She still gets up and goes potty. So, don't you, girl? Yeah. She tries to stay close to her area here. She just doesn't walk well. I had her to the vet not too long ago. Get a checkup. Keep you close. Try to keep you warm, don't we, girl? Huh? Yeah. She doesn't like to be messed with too much. Yeah, she likes Paul will come in here and put her on his lap and pet her. She likes that. You're a good girl.